Hey guys, I'm back. I just want to show you the difference when you use just manufacturer crap cable to try to blow a speaker, and when you use monster cable. Here's some monster cable, huge ass end plugged in back here. This subwoofer never ever pops until I plug that thing in. See, just some regular cable down here. You can barely hear what's playing. Oh, you beat the crap out of that when I hit it. Can't hear it. No, you barely hear them. And watch what happens when I plug this in. I just tap them in. I can do this one-handed. Okay, that's nothing.
Don't say a word, just turn and let me see. Girl, you got something special on me. Wanna kick it in?
Ah, my gosh.
This dancing bitch, you I noticed you because your friends is freaking.
And that's the end of it. Until next time, see ya.